Amazon, the king of e-commerce. Google, the ruler of search. Together, these two giants have reshaped the world as we know it. But now, there's a new player, emerging in the shadows, a company with the potential to redefine everything. It's not a household name, not yet, but the seeds of revolution are already being sown. Behind the scenes, this company is quietly building technology that could change industries like healthcare, security, and sustainability forever. Experts say its innovations are unlike anything we've seen before. Remember the stories. Amazon, worth mere pennies before it soared to trillions. Google, a small search engine before it became the backbone of the internet. Every investor dreams of finding the next big thing. What if I told you that dream is within reach again? This company operates in a $100 billion plus market and is leveraging technology so advanced, it feels like science fiction. Its applications are limitless, from protecting our environment to revolutionizing diagnostics and beyond. So what is this stock? What is the name of the company that could rival Amazon and Google combined? It's Dotz Nano DTZZF, a microcap stock trading at mere pennies today, but carrying the weight of tomorrow's innovation. The future starts here. Will you seize it? Subscribe now for more insights on disruptive stocks and opportunities that could change your life. Dotz Nano, your chance to invest in the future today.